about to lose our horseshoe virginity. We're going to be taking Dylan up here. We don't really know from there. We're gonna fucking climb. Come on. Fuck me. Honestly, we'd actually die if we did Devil's Kitchen. Yeah. Good.
Say something funny.
My balls hurt. So we've run into a weird problem in that there's fucking shit tons of ice on everything and you can't see any of it. So we think the lichen here is sort of giving off some water and then it's freezing on it, but this has actually just slipped straight off. So if I stepped on that, my foot would just go straight out.
Which you've already experienced.
We just have to hope that we don't slip on something even steeper and more dangerous. Come on, pull me up, Josh. Pull me up.
Come.
Nail it. Oh shit.
An enemy spotted.
Still got, I'd say, maybe another 20 metres and we'll get to the top. This will be our first summit, and then we begin the year of the horseshoe.
Yeah, boy. See a marmot down there. So at the summit now, what next?
This is only the start of the horseshoe.
Good. How do you make those count? You're so heavy.
Dylan. Bad idea. Dill, what the fuck are you doing? Dill! Just a little bit.
I can see the cracks forming.
Oh, shit. Help me!
There's nothing I can do for you. Oh! Oh! He's going down!
Oh god! I can literally see it sinking down.
Is this the bar? Actually? Oh, this is the bar. Good. Well then, it's onwards and upwards. So, you've got a really nice hold here as well, Cam. Let's get up. Just here.
Ooh, sorry.
Taylor's getting yeeted. That's it, it's lethal.
Because that challenge is one that we're willing to accept.
Okay, so we've literally just made the top now. It's absolutely stunning. It's kind of like another world here. Dylan, have you enjoyed it? It's a bit weird, but though, there's literally, I honestly think we're the only people on here. It's pretty nippy, but to be fair, only a fucking moron would do something like this. All serious though, this is an absolutely stunning walk. It's literally like another world. I feel like we're on Antarctica or something, or another fucking planet. The top's just there. Did it, guys. This is only just half of it. We've got to get down there, find somewhere to camp.
Oh, I'm so glad it's nearly done.
It's not over yet, Dill.
What?
We got a lot more left.
What the fuck? We could be playing Fortnite right now, Cam.
In the wall.
In the wall.
Joystick.
Yeah, exactly.
Fuck all this walking.
I've got such a snotty nose.
I don't even know what to say. I need to take the thing off.
Alright, so time is probably what, like 10 o'clock? Half 9, 10 o'clock around that. We didn't film much of the rest of it because it got quite sketchy. We really need to focus on what we were climbing on, and it was getting quite dark as well, so we're in a bit of a rush to find camp and stuff. Yeah, did you guys enjoy it?
Yeah, it was pretty interesting. It was a bit fucking scary. I fully fell on my arse.
Oh shit, yeah, on the ice.
Because we walked across a bog, but because it's so cold, everything was frozen. It's like walking across like a natural ice skating rink, and I just slipped straight out and landed flat on my arse.
Dylan, you enjoyed it, didn't you?
Yeah, I got a deathly fear of heights, and we got like kind of stuck. But Cameron found a way, so it was all good.
Yeah, exactly.
Alive.
So we're now in our tent. The camera probably isn't going to pick this up, but oh yeah, we've got the moon over there. So we're just looking at the stars at the moment, just chilling. And yeah, so in the morning eventually we're going to get up a bit early and start our way on to we're going to check out Devil's Kitchen. We'd actually die if we did Devil's Kitchen.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah,
I think.
look at it.
And then what's the rest of the plan, guys?
I think there's another route that we might try out tomorrow. We're pretty achy at the moment. Dill feels like he's been in a car crash.
Good.
Dying.
So tomorrow morning when we wake up, we'll get some food, and then we'll walk over and check out the other climbs, see if it's doable.
Sweet.
God, our eyes look fucking terrifying. We look
Why not?
demonic.
It's shining me, Josh. It's like fully black.
You look like some sort of like immortal monster.
Zoom in.
But yeah, anyway, we'll catch you guys tomorrow. So yeah, sign out.
No.
Peace. So this is the next section of the route. We've got some tricky spiked rock up here, and this brings me back to a funny moment when Cameron was basically teaching me how to climb. I think
It went pretty well.
It went pretty well, I have to say, yeah.
Not far now. We got that last bit of peak. I know where Josh is.
Josh, what the fuck are you doing?
You just fucking cut it off! Cut it off! We're just taking a quick break from the wind, so we're just hiding by this little mound. And I'm just going to have an orange with some water. Cam's having a sandwich. What have you got? Oh.
Real Karen's presentation of this
Oh,
sandwich.
God.
It's like
What is that, Cameron?
it looks like fucking just a pile of shit at the moment, but maybe I did eat this and shit it out in the night and then put it back in the bag without thinking.
Right. This is survival. Look what we're about to do now. We literally can't even go back there. We're really committed to this. We've got no option what to fucking do because we literally can't go down what we've just climbed up. So I fucking hope we can get up this, because otherwise we're gonna die. But if we die, we're still gonna post the video because we keep that content coming. Look, you hear that mountain? We've literally just climbed on the opposite side of this, on that ridge along here. and then straight back up this side.
It was amazing. I felt a bit nervous for a lot of it.
And that's coming from him.
Yeah.
No,
it's good. And with the view around us, you feel so exposed. You're like clinging onto this edge piece. There's like pinnacle poking out, and just all around you is this perfect landscape.
And there's fucking wind, but fucking hell, we've done it. So now what we're gonna do, basically, loop along the top of this ridge, and then just slowly make our way back down here. You're gonna fucking door, Cam. Cam, there's a massive crack there. He's too far gone now. I really want to. What are your thoughts right now, Cam?
I'm an idiot.
Yep. Cam, it's so clear. We're just looking at this lake now, and the water is just crystal clear. I'd fucking swim in here in the summer.
Swimming it now.
I was actually thinking that, but I was like, no. All the plants.
Pretty fucking cold.
Nippy.
Yeah, you'd literally like lose all your body heat in a second.
Oh, the heat coming off that though is lovely. Awesome spot. Last night when we were camping, we knew it was going to be cold, but if you can gauge by Cam's water, just solid ice. How cold do you think it was, Cam?
I reckon it could be up to like -8, 9, something like that.
It was fucking freezing. Cam spooned me. It was amazing. It was my return of favour. So where are we now, Cam?
No fucking idea, falling in a hole.
So we fell in this hole. I'm only joking, or am I? It's kind of just got two really nice pieces of rock on the side. Potentially climb here?
Yeah, that looks
Maybe.
pretty cool, maybe.
We are pretty much on the last sketch of our walk. Cam, how are your legs feeling?
Feeling alright, surprisingly. I
Yeah?
thought I'd be like, thought I'd be all jelly like.
I know, same here.
Just turn back now.
Yeah. Anyway guys, the video continues. I'm joking.
We need to get better at packing our bags.
Yeah, we literally didn't bring the right things at all.
We want a better tent than this kite.
We are now about to go to the base. Come here, Cam, ready? 3, 2, 1. 3 peaks, 1.5 days. Catch me outside. How about that? Right, what do you reckon, Cam? Still asleep?
Maybe. We could draw on his face if you
Yeah.
could.
Or draw a massive moustache on his face or something.
Squad's back together now. They found me in a pile. I couldn't go on. My knees hurt. How was it, guys?
It's fucking awesome.
It was a 23 out of 10 in terms of litness.
Yeah, nice.
We are back from our trek. Having got ourselves a pint. Yeah, just conclude the walk. Any thoughts?
I found that you could get really happy and really depressed all throughout one walk.
Within 1 hour.
1 hour. It's like peaks and lows, peaks and lows.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's like, it is sort of, you know it's going to be painful, you know it's going to be hard, but you do always get that reward at the end. If you try and think back to like 5 years ago when you're watching a video or playing a game, you won't remember what game you were playing, you won't remember anything that happened.
Like some of the stuff we did today, I'll never, like genuine, I'm not even saying that for the video, I'll genuinely never get it. Like,
You remember the negatives, it's quite positives as well. Like last night, I had the worst night of my life. But now we look back and it's funny.
When we woke up, Dylan's sleeping bag had ice on the outside of it.
it was,
so, like,
I think,
frozen.
yeah, like -10 around that.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
I hope you guys enjoyed the first episode, and more to come.
Definitely more to come.
Definitely more to come, more adventures. Cheers to that.
Cheers.